Dr. Zayas, Dr. Zayas. Dr. Zayas, Dr. Zayas. Dr. Zayas, Dr. Zayas. Oh, Dr. Zayas. Dr. Zayas, Dr. Zayas.
Who controls the British crown? Who keeps the metric system down? We do. We do.
If you despise polite left-handers, then I doubt you'll like Ned Flanders or his creepy little offspring, Rod and Todd.
That's us! Hooray!
And I swear it's Springfield's only choice. Throw up your hands and raise your voice.
Monterey!
What's it called?
Monterey!
Once again.
See this hat? 'Twas my cat, my evening wear, vampire bat. These white slippers are albino, African, endangered rhino.
All the lonely Larrys, forgotten by their friends.
To stop those monsters, 1, 2, 3.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!